Before we dive into the care guide, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and charm of the pothos plant. Picture its heart-shaped, glossy leaves, a cascade of vibrant greenery that breathes life into any corner of your home. Imagine the joy and satisfaction it brings, brightening up your indoor spaces or adding a touch of wilderness to your garden. Feel the sense of accomplishment that comes with nurturing this hardy plant, watching it grow and thrive under your care. Indeed, there's a lot to love about pothos plants. Now, let's learn how to take care of them. Ever wondered why the pothos plant is a favorite among both seasoned and novice gardeners? Well, it's all down to its resilience, versatility, and the beautiful lush greenery it brings to any space. Today, we delve into the world of pothos plants, from their origins to a comprehensive guide on how to care for and grow them. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to transform your indoor or outdoor spaces with the charm of pothos. Firstly, let's understand what a pothos plant is. Also known as devil's ivy or money plant, pothos is a hardy, evergreen plant native to the Solomon Islands. It's adored for its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, making it a fantastic choice for hanging baskets or high shelves. Now on to the exciting part, how to care for and grow a pothos plant. First things first, find a spot with moderate light. Pothos enjoy bright, indirect sunlight, but they're also tolerant of low light conditions. This adaptability is one of the reasons they're so popular. Next, consider the plant's water needs. Pothos plants are not big drinkers. Overwatering could lead to root rot, the nemesis of many a houseplant. So, only water your pothos when the top inch of soil is dry. A good rule of thumb is to water it every 7 to 10 days, but this can vary depending on the humidity in your home. On to the soil. Pothos plants thrive in well-draining soil, so consider a mixture of potting soil and perlite or orchid bark. This will ensure the roots get the right amount of air and water, preventing root rot. And what about feeding your pothos? A balanced houseplant fertilizer used every 2 to 3 months should keep your pothos in top form. Now let's talk about propagation. This is a fantastic way to multiply your pothos plant, and it's surprisingly simple. Just cut a vine below a node, that's the small brown bump on the stem, place it in water, and wait for roots to sprout. Once you have a good set of roots, plant it in soil, and voila, a new pothos plant. Lastly, remember that pothos, like all plants, grow towards the light. So rotate your plant every few weeks to ensure even growth. To sum up, taking care of a pothos plant involves selecting the right location with moderate light, watering it only when the top inch of soil is dry, using well-draining soil, feeding it with houseplant fertilizer every few months, and propagating it by cutting below a node. And remember, rotate your plant regularly to promote even growth. Caring for pothos plants can be a rewarding experience, bringing a touch of nature's beauty into your home. So why not add a pothos plant to your indoor or outdoor garden today? It might just become your new favorite plant. Enjoy your gardening journey, and until next time, keep those green thumbs busy. And don't forget, if you've enjoyed video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to provide you with more great content. Until next time, happy gardening.